Strong words build strong voices. I am Surbhi Maheshwari, an English teacher at Chaitram School. I believe that the primary years are crucial for building strong language skills, confidence, and a love for learning. In my classroom, I focus on creating a positive and engaging environment where children feel encouraged to express themselves through reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Teaching is not just my profession, but a responsibility I value deeply, and I strive to support every child's growth with patience, care, and consistency. We at Choitram School believe that strong language skills begin with rich vocabulary and clear sentence structuring, as words help children express their thoughts, ideas, and emotions with confidence and clarity. Through regular reading, storytelling, and interactive discussions, students are encouraged to learn new words in meaningful contexts and use them correctly in their speaking and writing. Special focus is given to understanding synonyms, antonyms, and describing words so that children can make their language more interesting and expressive. Along with vocabulary enrichment, equal importance is given to sentence structuring, where students learn to form complete and meaningful sentences by using correct word order, appropriate verbs, and proper punctuations, such as capital letters and full stops. We nurture these foundational skills every day, empowering our learners to become effective readers, thoughtful writers, and confident speakers, ready to communicate their ideas with clarity and purpose. Thus, through a well planned approach to vocabulary enrichment and sentence structuring, students at Chaitram School develop a strong foundation in language that supports clear thinking and confident expression. Therefore, by nurturing these essential skills from an early age, we ensure that our learners grow into effective communicators who are well equipped to express their ideas creatively, accurately, and confidently in both spoken and written forms.